this lecture, I would like to demonstrate how how these operators works. This logical operator and this logical operator and this logical operator and the relational operator, how they work, you know. So in this case we are saying int a is equal to 2, int b is equal to 4. Let's say int c is equal to 5 and int c is equal to 5, and we want to validate our code if a is equal to b at the same time, and if a is less than b. So we declare our logic here to int result, in which we terminate here our in result, you know, and find that our result, find that in result. This one is our logic. This one is our logic. It's our logic. This one is our logic. This one is our logic. Eh? So we want to validate this using logical operators as well as the relational operators. So in this case, we want to print the result. After this is a logic declaration. This is a logic declaration. At the same time, I say result is result is equal to. Now, our result, we wanna validate these things. So we say our result. We say a is equal to b. A is equal to b, and we terminate. You see. So we are saying a and b are one and the same thing. Truth a and b. Vakafanana here. We wanna validate, and we print here. Printf. We print the result. You see how result. So the result is constant. The result is percentage, because we are returning a boolean value, you know. We are returning a boolean value. So in this case, the result is percentage. Why? Because it's a boolean value. We are returning a boolean, so we print result. We print our result, then we terminate. No problem. Print the result here. Print the result. We terminate. You will see that the result will be a boolean. In this case, will be a boolean, either will be true or false. Either true or false. You know, that's that. So printf, and I said the declaration statement at the end of the end. Oh, fine. Let's say a is equal to b. We are using a logical operator. This arrow sign, this one, we bracket this, let's bracket this, we bracket this, and we want to validate this statement. You say, and we want to validate the statement. You say, and c is greater than together b. No, terminate. We'll bracket this one. Let's bracket this and see the result also. Oh, wish. See the result. So this statement, our result is equal. We assign the result here. We can't validate. I know the error etinayo yatatraita pekutanga ndeyekuti a is equal to b. We want to validate two variables, of which we validate statements. an expression, that operators and expressions. This is an expression now. Put A is equal to B, and it may be true or false, and then and C is greater than B. It may be true or false. So we do have 0 and 1. We know that on the truth table, if we say 0 and 1, 0 and 1, 0, and 0 or 1, 1, because any and operator is a multiplication, then or operator is an addition. So this statement, man, now we can get the result. Because we do have apa patarana pekutanga apa ikatudza kuti error declaration end of an input iri kuti error nekuti isusu and tada kuti we want to validate statement 1. If you say or, if you say 1, and you can't validate 1, but we validate a statement like this. We do have 1 panel. A is equal to what? B. This is false, so this is 0. And C is greater than B. C is greater than B. This is true. So our result should be true, because it's 0. It's 0 and 1. So it should be true. Our result should. Let's see. Error. Where's the error? The first using this function, so in the C is equal to 5. Alright, this C and the B, these are capital letters. These are capital letters. Use them. C. Statically, I'm small letters, and these are capital letters. So let's run it. Send it in. The result. What's the error? The result is present. That's why a declaration or statement at the end of the input. This one is print for 1 of print. The result is present day, but should we have the result here? Let's see what is happening. Let's see what's happening. What is happening? Wow. What is the error here? But this is the logic. This is the logic to print the. This is the logic. This is the logic. Oh, so we don't have the closing bracket here. So closing bracket, the main function. Say 27. This is the main function. Our main function should be closed on. So I think now it's because there is no any error. Error. This one is a good logic algorithm. This is a good algorithm. So maybe another error is not about the. Now I want to print the result is 0. The result is 0. That means it's 0 and 1, and operator is multiplication. I will demonstrate a truth table later so that you can understand. If you understand the truth table, you can understand this. Was and operator is a multiplication. So this statement A is equal to B. We are saying 2 na 4 zvafanana here. Toti no, azvinofanana, saka it's 0. Toya kuno kutoti C is greater than D is greater than B. C is greater than B. Zvaka ndizvo here. This statement is true. Yes, it's true. So it's 0 and 1. So it's 0 times 1. So the answer is 0. That's why on our program it generates 0. If you say or, yeah, or, this is an or sign. Or sign is an addition sign. It's plus. So we are saying 0 plus 1. So 0 or 1 is 1. Let's run and see. The result is 1. I think now it's clear that these operators are used to validate. They are used to validate statements. You see, we create statements and they are used to validate if it is true or false. If it is true or false, you know. So if we say we can use or and operator, and we can involve a lot of operators in this case, you know, a lot of operators. We can say, hey, we can say result. Yeah, we can comment this and say result. The result is equal to, and you say, as I will say, A is A is not equal to B. Honest, A is not equal to. Is this true? Yes, is it true? Alright, fine. Let's see the result here. So here exploded before the printf is on. The printf we say, let's do this. Let's do this. Right. It's not important. Listen, not important. And want to print the result. Let's print the result over there. Oh, the result is not important. Oh, this one. This one, let's was happening. Let's do this, huh? Result. But this is the logic. The logic. It's sport or not sport, yeah? Or not sport. This one is not sport. Oh fuck. It's not the logic. It will send the result. The result is 1. You see. Fine. This one. So you find out this. Let's find out this one. We want to validate one side. It's not a statement, so it cannot be run. It's executed. You know, we can only execute if we validate a statement. You know, so the error here is saying error here. Let's see what we can only execute. I don't know what's the expressions. Expressions, you know. We can only execute an expression. So this is not an expression. This one is not an expression, but this one is an expression. We can obtain a Boolean value if we validate an expression. Thank you.